Hey, is Lightning McQueen back yet?
Not yet.
He must be crazy excited about winning his 4th Piston Cup 4! Wow!
Yeah, we're so dadgum proud of him. But I sure wish he'd hurry up and get back, because we got a whole summer's worth of best friend fun to make up for. Because me and... McQueen! McQueen!
Hater! I'm in no hurry! You don't need to go so fast!
McQueen's back! McQueen's back! McQueen's back! McQueen's back!
Oh, Lightning, welcome home!
Good to have you back, honey.
Congratulations, man.
Welcome home, soldier. The place wasn't the same without you, son.
What? Did he go somewhere?
It's good to be home, everybody.
Hater!
McQueen!
Hater!
Hey, how far'd you make it this time, Otis?
Halfway to the county line.
Ooh, not bad, man.
I know, I can't believe it either.
McQueen, welcome back.
Peter, it's so good to see you.
You too, buddy. Oh, man, you ain't gonna believe the things I got planned for us.
Boy, these best friend greetings, they get longer every year.
You ready to have some serious fun?
Well, actually, I've got something to show you first.